Ang pansit ay pampahaba ng buhay. Ano, Colin? Anong gift mo kay mami?
Wish lang. Wish ka syempre.
Imas-imas tayo, baka mahiluran mo.
Santo.
Mom! May tiga doon! Look!
Ano ba yan? Nagulo.
Pati nga yan ang drawing mo. Ganon, pati nga. Wish mo na kay mami, siyempre.
Mami, guys, my drawing. Happy birthday po, Mami. Guys, my drawing for you. This drawing.
This yan.
I know. This is simple to. Guys.
This yan.
King Su.
Pati nga. Wow, nakadrawing din pala ng tao. Ba't ang itim ni mami dyan?
Ano daw yan?
Special si Mayor. Ang mag...
So, happy birthday to my most beautiful human being existed. So, this is my birthday gift to my mom. So, happy birthday, my mom.
Wow.
I create an anime figure like you and with your big shade.
Happy
So,
birthday, my mommy. I wish that you will be happy. On this day, I wish more blessings to come.
yeah, natin sa inyo.
Secret kang yung name niya, ha?
Kanyang secret admirer. Kit.
No, this is my special angel birthday gift. Thank you, baby girl. It's my baby girl gift. And this is my best friend gift. This is my best friend gift. Wow! Wow, so beautiful. Thank you, my dear. And lastly, ta-da-da-da.
Tumbulan niya, tumbulan.
Wow! Wow, so cute. This is my chang best. Hey, thank you, my chang. I love it. Appreciate it much. Thank you. Love you both. Thank you.
Sa akin nakatingin. Kasi TikTok ko.
My instant angel in my life. Alam mo na kasi sino ka. Love you nga. Thank you to my family. Thank you to my hubby. Thank you to my darling for your special surprise.
Ang regalo ko, ibubulong ko na lang sa'yo.
Ano ba po?
10K.
Special.
Resibo ng utang.
Yeah.